we talk about what we call lighthouses and foghorns. Lighthouses are the people that guided us. And there's a very critical time period in the brain between ages of 9 to 13 where our values are formulated. Somebody was either there as a lighthouse, they guided the way, you followed them, or they were a foghorn, they showed you what you didn't want to be. Either story is a good one. If you get foghorns in your life, what an opportunity to create light where you had darkness. And that becomes your origin story. And we go, okay, well, I had this. And I go, guess what? You can't change that. So how about we fall in love with this because of what it taught you? That's the foghorn idea. To my kids, I go, you're going to try to be like me, whether you want it or not. I go, let's focus on what you don't want to be about me, because there's a lot of stuff you don't want to do. Take the good. Let's normalize these mistakes and make it easy.